do a drop-in with these dogs that live in the town next to ours, and I have been doing their family for years and years and years, and I will forever do their family. They actually have my second favorite house of all my clients. It's gorgeous. They have land, and they have a huge yard and a barn, but then one of their neighbors has roosters, and I always hear it every morning when we're sitting outside playing. It just goes off, like, it goes off way past sunrise, that thing. It has a lot to say. So I'm heading there now, and I'll probably go buy scooters and get a treat. I'm pretty sure Scott is somewhere he is not supposed to be.
Squeak, squeak.
Hi, Fur Fry.
I'm stuck.
How are you gonna get up?
I'm not.
You live here now?
Pretty much. Also, they're way happier to see you than me.
Looks like we need to do the floor in here again.
Yeah.
If you pigs could contain your mess, that'd be great. Pigs. French fry, you've already had breakfast.
They need more. He was squeaking. Nope, don't eat that.
Beanie, French fry. Pig, pig, pig. Oh, I need to open their hay bags. So I'm in my office. I'm getting ready to do coaching for a little while, and then I'm going to Scott and I are going to get lunch, I think it sounds like, and I need to figure out Twitch because it's very confusing, and Scott is no help, even though this was his idea. He's glaring at me. What?
You can take me to Red Robin for lunch. Then maybe we can go to Home Depot and see if we can find a, what's it called?
Can you walk around Home Depot?
I don't know. I gotta look at the map and see how far back the garbage disposals are.
You should check and see if they have curbside,
They
like a
don't.
pickup.
Well, they have pickup, but you have to go inside for it. To the customer service thing.
Okay, so today I should have
Maybe not the way to Home Depot.
an unboxing. I should have some stuff coming from Amazon that I got for.
I'll unbox. Okay,
Coming from Amazon that I got for streaming, but I'd use it anyway. It's like a tripod and a new webcam and something. Oh, a cord for my microphone because we can never find it. So I've got that. Yesterday I went outside and sat outside for a couple of minutes, and then I came back inside and ordered a pool. Just a little pool that I can sit in with the dogs. It's big, so I might put that up today, and we'll see how Scott is feeling. We're getting a lot of mixed messages about his recovery as far as what he can do as far as weight bearing. It's been like multiple different messages across the board, so that's a little concerning and confusing. So he's just kind of taking it easy and doing, not pushing himself, but we've been told he can put weight on his foot and that he can walk, full on walk on his foot, which like he hasn't put any weight on his foot. He's still in crutches, as you saw. So it's a little confusing, but we'll see how he's feeling. That kind of determines a lot of the day as well. So all the dogs are coming in here. So yeah, I am going to get ready for coaching here in the next couple minutes, and I'll see you later. Hopefully my stuff from Amazon comes soon. Scott is driving for the first time since surgery. Very exciting, and in Liberty, no less, so it's crazy busy out here. About a 15-20 minute drive home.
Wait, what about Crumble?
Oh my god. unboxing. This is our Amazon order. Right. Perfect. So this is the new tripod I ordered. Sleek. And it has a remote shutter. It'll hold my camera and my phone. And it goes up very, very tall. So the one I have now only does my camera and it does not go up any taller than like how it is, which is like a foot, I think. And then this is the new webcam I got. So this is the Logitech Stream webcam C922X Pro, and it was on sale for Prime Day. So it's normally $100, and I think I got it for $79. So pretty good, if I do say so myself. This is for Scott. Your crutches stuff came. It's like to change out the handles and stuff on his crutches because the rubber is really wearing down and starting to hurt his hand when he walks. And this is a new cord for my Yeti mic. So I'll take this and this in my office and go play with them. Scott's been sleeping on the floor in the living room for the whole time because right before he got hurt, we moved our bed to the basement so that the guinea pigs could have their own room. This was Scott's idea.
It wasn't even my idea to get the guinea pig.
It was your idea to give them their own room.
I'm not gonna keep them in a cage.
Okay. Cage-free guinea pigs. So he's been sleeping on our guest mattress, which is this little twin mattress out here in our living room. Well, he started on the couch, and then I carried this mattress up here for him to lay on, and now maybe soon he will go into the basement or try going in the basement, but it was safer for him to be up here because his foot and the dogs and everything. There's one. There's another one. But being on the floor means all the dogs have very close his mouth is all wet. Cody. No! And Arya's down here. So anyway, we'll probably end the vlog here. I need to go write my story, and when it's up, I'll put the link in the vlog for that day so that you guys can read it. But you're falling. Don't fall. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ah! Okay, don't fall. Anyway, this is chaotic. End it here. We don't really have anything going on tomorrow. What do you think we'll do tomorrow? Nothing? That sounds exciting. Okay, well. Oh, I thought you were going to say something.
Nope.
Nope. We'll be back tomorrow. Bye.